Have you ever dreamt that one simple ingredient in your kitchen was the key to supercharging your male health and giving you an insane energy boost? That's right, baking soda has the potential to improve circulation, increase your stamina, and believe it or not, even improve your firmness in a remarkable way. What most people aren't aware of is there are 5 secret tricks every man should know to fully unleash the potential of this incredible mineral. And let me tell you, the third trick is absolutely mind-blowing. So you have just one request. Watch this video until the end. Not only will I reveal these powerful tricks, but I'll also share a secret recipe that has been used for centuries by men known for their strength, energy, and peak performance. The formula will help you keep your body at its best, sharpen your mind, and maintain your vitality at the highest level. But before we move forward, if you want more energy, endurance, and flawless performance, drop a comment below saying, I want total power. It may seem like a small action, but neuroscience studies have proven that when we declare our goals publicly, our brain works to make them a reality. Now get ready, because what you're about to learn could completely change your daily routine. Let's dive in and discover why baking soda is a true ally for male health and how it can transform your body in only a few days. When people hear about baking soda, they usually associate it with a common cleaning product or a home remedy for heartburn. But what most don't know is that this mineral has amazing properties that can transform male health. It's an alkaline compound that works miracles for the body. And here are some of its most potent advantages. Improves blood flow, a crucial factor for maintaining vitality, physical performance, and, of course, keeping your male power at its peak. Reduces acidity on the body, helping to fight inflammation and prevent muscle fatigue, keeping you energized throughout the day. Supports hormonal balance, aiding in the natural production of testosterone, the key hormone for male energy and strength. Boosts physical endurance, making it an excellent ally for those seeking more strength, stamina, and vitality. And here's the most exciting part. When used correctly, baking soda can act as a true enhancer of your male potency, improving performance and giving you that extra edge to take on any challenge with confidence and vigor. Now that you know why baking soda is so powerful, let's dive straight into the first trick that can instantly improve circulation and enhance your performance. In just minutes, did you know that one of the most powerful secrets to maintaining your virility and ensuring top-tier male performance is directly related to your blood flow? Without blood flow, your muscles lose their strength, your energy level drops, and even your potency suffers. But this is where baking soda comes into play. This natural substance helps to open up blood vessels, improves tissue oxygenation, and reduces acidity on the body, making your blood more fluid and promoting flawless circulation. So how can you use baking soda to enhance circulation? The process is simple but incredibly effective. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and drink it 30 minutes before main meal, such as lunch or dinner. The ideal approach was to do this only 3 times a week, avoiding excessive consumption to maintain the body's natural balance. What happens on your body? Your blood vessels expand, increasing blood supply to your muscles and organs essential. As a result, your energy and stamina increase because your muscles receive more oxygen. Your circulation improves, decreasing fatigue by a large amount and allowing much more effective performance. Now that you know how to strengthen your circulation, let's move on to the second trick, which is in direct connection with testosterone and be a true game changer for your male vitality. Trick 2, baking soda and testosterone. How this mineral can balance your hormones. Testosterone is the defining hormone of masculinity, responsible for factors such as muscle strength, energy, desire, and even mental clarity. The problem is over time, testosterone levels begin to decrease, directly affecting your vitality and the stamina. What most don't know is that too much acidity in the body can disrupt hormone production, and this is exactly where baking soda comes in. How baking soda helps: it lowers acidity in the body, creating a more balanced environment for natural hormone production. It enhances the absorption of essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining high testosterone levels. It reduces oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic fatigue and negatively impact your overall performance. How to use baking soda to regulate testosterone. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water with freshly squeezed lemon juice and drink this mixture in the morning. On an empty stomach, only 3 times a week for the best results. Avoid consuming this drink. Reduce fatigue and improve muscle recovery, greater strength, endurance, and hormonal balance. A boost on male vitality. Now get ready, because the next trick was one of the most surprising of them all. I'm going to share with you how baking soda can detox your body and provide you with a powerful boost of natural energy. Trick 3, baking a soda for body detox and energy boost. Have you ever felt fatigued, all the time lacking motivation, and experiencing poor performance? More often than not, the root cause of this is toxin accumulating on your body. Heavy metals, chemical residues, and excess acidity can overpower vital organs like the liver and kidneys, leaving you sluggish, weak, and drained of energy. The good news is that baking soda is one of the most powerful natural detoxifiers. It helps eliminate toxins, balances your body's pH levels, and improves the function of the organs responsible for your vitality. How to use baking soda to cleanse your body and boost energy. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and drink this mixture before bed twice a week. For an even more powerful effect, try this on days without ultra-processed foods or alcohol. To maximize the detox effect, it's best to follow this routine. On days when you haven't consumed ultra-processed foods or alcoholic beverages, this allows for a much more effective cleanse. What you will notice: better sleep quality and faster muscle recovery, a lighter feeling upon waking up, with more energy throughout the day, reduced bloating and less water retention, a more efficient elimination of toxins through the kidneys and liver. Now that you know how baking soda can give your energy levels a real boost, stay tuned, because the next trick is even more impressive. Trick 4, baking soda as a natural pre-workout for more strength and stamina. If you often feel that your muscles tire quickly during workouts, this might be due to lactic acid buildup. This compound is the main culprit behind that burning sensation and muscle fatigue, which lowers your performance and causes a faster loss of strength. The good news: baking soda acts as a natural buffer, helping to neutralize excess acidity, so you can train with greater energy and endurance. How to use baking soda as a pre-workout. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it 30 to 45 minutes before your workout. For best results, do this a maximum of 3 times a week. to prevent excessive alkalinity on your body. What happens in your body? Muscles take longer to fatigue, allowing you to train at higher intensity, increase strength and endurance, helping you lift heavier or run longer distances faster, muscle recovery, reducing soreness and post-workout exhaustion. Now that you know how to supercharge your workouts, let's move on to a trick that will eliminate digestive discomfort and restore your energy levels. Trick 5, baking soda as a natural remedy for heartburn and poor digestion, lack of energy, bloating, and that heavy feeling after eating are often linked to poor digestion. When your stomach is too acidic, you may experience heartburn, acid reflux, and discomfort that can ruin your entire day. Baking soda works by quickly neutralizing excess acidity, enhancing better digestion, and curing these problems naturally. How to use baking soda for better digestion. Mix a half teaspoon of baking soda with a half glass of water and consume it immediately after a heavy meal or as soon as you experience heartburn or gastrointestinal unease. Important, do not overuse, as too much can ruin your stomach's natural acid balance. Advantages of this trick: instant alleviation of acid reflux in heartburn, bringing more comfort, improve digestion, avoiding bloating and gastrointestinal unease, more energy and vitality as your body digests nutrients better, a secret formula to enhance vitality and energy. Now consider a state-of-the-art. All these suggestions in addition to a strengthening formula used for centuries to develop the body, maximize male vitality, and boost daily levels of energy. If you've reached this far, you're on the brink of discovering an ultimate elixir for male vitality. This formula combines natural ingredients that enhance testosterone production, improve blood circulation, and provide lasting energy during the day. Ingredients: half glass warm water, 1-2 teaspoon baking soda, juice half squeezed lemon, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch cinnamon, 1 teaspoon maca root powder. Mix all ingredients well until fully dissolved and consume it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach 3 to 4 times weekly. Why was this recipe so effective? Baking soda balances pH levels, improve circulation, and fights fatigue. Lemon strengthens the immune system, adds digestion, and reduces inflammation. Honey provides sustained energy and boosts endurance. Cinnamon enhances blood flow and contributes to better performance. Maca root is one of the most powerful natural stimulants, increasing testosterone and boosting stamina. What to expect from regular use: more energy and vitality throughout the day, greater strength and endurance, significant improvements in circulation and physical performance, a natural increase in testosterone levels. Now that you have all these powerful tricks in this incredible energy boosting recipe, it's up to you to apply them and see real results. Let me know in the comments. Was it already known to you about baking soda's advantages? Will you be applying this strong recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Now let me know which city are you watching this video from. Drop a comment below so I know how far this knowledge is reaching. Also, have you ever applied baking soda to improve your health? After this video, will you try these tricks? If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like this video to help more people discover this information. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tips. Share this video with a friend who could benefit, whether it's your training partner, your brother, or anyone who deserves more strength, energy, and vitality. See you in the next video. Take care and stay strong.